Hello, welcome back to Erica's Welsh Garden. Today is March the 22nd and I've been a little bit absent the last couple of weeks, I feel, on my channel, and I haven't done many kind of videos on the allotment or of what I've been up to really. I've just done videos that are like, you know, planting the cardboard box raised bed up and stuff like that. So I thought I just wanted to kind of catch up with all of you today, and also if you have been following my channel you would know that I'm working on a little secret project at home and it's now finished, and at the end of this video I'm going to show you what I have done because I'm so excited about it. But firstly, I've just come down to the polytunnel to open the door now. It's getting quite nice and sunny in the day, so I want a little bit of ventilation in here. And also, I've had a little bit of a mistake or a bit of an accident with my tomatoes. So I planted my tomatoes a couple of weeks ago now and I put them straight in the polytunnel, and unfortunately I came down yesterday and all of the compost was completely dry and none of them have germinated. I think though they've not germinated because they've dried out. They've not germinated because it's just been far too cold at night. Last year, the year before, loads of years before that, I've always germinated my tomatoes indoors. We still got the heating on at home. We keep our thermostat at about 19 degrees. And I think that the reason they haven't actually germinated is because it's just been too cold here at night. We've still been getting ground frosts. Last night we had a ground frost. So I've properly made a mistake with these tomatoes. But what I'm going to do, unless anybody gives me a different opinion in the comments, is I'm going to go home and I'm going to put these indoors for maybe 3 or 4 days, see if any of them germinate. Probably not though, because they have dried out, and then if not, I will just put the same seeds in each of the packs, or you know, each of the trays. While we're in the polytunnel, I'll quickly show you my onions. They're doing so well. I'm so pleased with them. I don't think it's going to be long now until I kind of split them up and put them out in their final growing spaces. However, I'm not sure where they're going to be growing, because on my allotment I've already got kind of onions and garlic growing, and at home things are a little bit kind of all over the place with what is going to go where. But over the last kind of couple of weeks I've not really done any videos on my allotment, but I've done 2 more of the raised beds in terms of putting the wood chip around and the a nice little top dressing, like a little mulch of some peat-free compost on the top. So I'm really pleased with that. But I've got 4 more beds to finish, so hopefully this week I will get those finished. You know, I need to do a lot more pruning at home and get stuff shredded though. That's the only issue with these beds, is that obviously I need to just do the work at home, you know, chop all the things down, make the wood chip, so I can actually finish those beds. But hopefully this week that is going to get done. And now we're going to head home because I'm going to show you my little secret project that I've been working on. It's probably not actually that secret because my close friends have had to go through the hard work of me doing this and the kind of updates every day of how it's going. And if you follow me on other social media, you might already know. But let's go home and I'm going to show you. I'm at home now and it's actually almost the end of the day now. So when I finished at the allotment earlier, I brought my tomatoes home, which are just here. So as I said, they're going to go indoors for a couple of days and see if they germinate. If not, I'm going to just replace the seeds that I've already sown. But we are still quite early, so that should be absolutely fine. And also I have brought my onions home. The onions were on the racking system that belonged to my plot neighbour, and I'm pretty sure they're going to be needing it soon, so I've brought those home. I'm going to leave those indoors for a couple of days just so they don't get too cold, because we're still having frosts and stuff. But the time has come for me to give you a little sneak peek at what I've been up to in the background for like the last month. I'm not going to put this on the thumbnail or anything like that, so if you're still watching this video now, then you will be the ones that get little treats. But I'm not going to be kind of doing a video about this for maybe another week or so because it's still not finished. So let's go and have a look. So after 3 years, I have finally put my greenhouse up, and that was the secret thing that I was working on at home. I didn't really want to tell you that I was doing this because For the last 3 years, I have been saying on numerous videos that I'm going to be getting the greenhouse up. I think 2018 or possibly 2019 New Year's Day, I said that this greenhouse was going to be going up that year, and 2 years later it is finally gone up, and I am so pleased. The reason it just took me so long to put up was I wasn't really sure where it was going to go, but finally, after kind of some thought, I feel that this is the best place to put it. Now, this is halfway up the garden, so I've got my woodland behind me and I've got my patio down there. But what I quite like about this is it's actually quite accessible from the house rather than going up all the way into the woodland. And if I had put it up in the woodland, I think it would have been so shady that it wouldn't have been so easy for me to grow things in. But I'm so excited that I finally got this up. And unfortunately, I got this greenhouse for free, and I've managed to not break any glass or anything like that. All the pieces were there after 3 years, but the door catches at the very bottom made of plastic, and when I was trying to put the door on Sunday, I broke the plastic. So I ordered a new part to come today, which did come, but unfortunately those plastic bits are too big, so the door doesn't fit on now. So I've ordered some more, and I'm really hoping, because I don't know what make of greenhouse this is, but I'm really hoping that the plastic bits I've got tomorrow come, or they're not coming tomorrow, I've got to wait 3 days I think for them to be delivered. When they come, hopefully they are the right ones. Now with this as well, one thing that's taken me ages to do this is because I filmed every part of me building this, and I've actually built this on my own, just purely because when we've had time at the weekend to do things, having a 3-year-old daughter, she really wants to be involved, and I started glazing this on Friday. I worked all day Saturday and some of Sunday on this, and because she wants to really help, my husband basically has had to go and take her out, or you know, take her on a scooter or something, so she's not around while I'm trying to do it. So I've actually built this on my own, but with help from him, which is great. But I'm so excited now. I haven't put this in the thumbnail of this video because I just wanted to like do a proper full-on video when it's all up together of me kind of showcasing it. So I just wanted to tell you, you know, this week I'm just so busy, and I think I might start doing like a Monday, like releasing like on a Monday night or something, or Tuesday morning, like what I'm up to at the allotment or in the garden this week, because I quite like having, you know, I quite like having a place to kind of talk about what I'm up to and stuff in the week as I'm getting like busier with everything. So hopefully, you know, Thursday or something, or Friday, I might have a video up where I give you a proper tour of it and the door is going to be on and stuff. But I just felt like I really wanted to tell you what I was up to this week. Also, I've got loads of dahlias that have been delivered. I bought some dahlias from a cheap shop as well, and a peony. So that is going to be something later in the week I need to get organised, and I can show you what I'm planting. But anyway, I'm going to leave the video here, but I really hope you've enjoyed kind of hearing and seeing what I'm up to this week. This is the reason as well that I bought the those leeks back, and the you know, tomatoes and stuff, because having that here means that I'm going to be able to like keep an eye on things more. However, it's still so cold, so I'm going to leave those in the house until the door is at least on. But there you go. Thank you so much for watching. And if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, please do hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of all of my latest videos. As ever, YouTube has some videos up on the screen now that they think you'll like. But also, I'm going to put the video where I took the greenhouse apart 3 years ago, because you might be interested to see that. But anyway, I will catch up with you in the next episode. Bye!